What's up everybody? Welcome back to the Holy Smokes BBQ channel. Today is a very unique day here on the channel, and it's not just because it's so cold that I can see my breath. It's like 20 degrees outside right now. It's actually a special kind of day because we're doing a special kind of meat. And today we are making smoked ostrich burgers. Now listen, for all of you out there who were just like, oh my gosh, ostrich, that's disgusting. Let me tell you something. There are a lot of people that swear by ostrich meat. It's super lean, so there's not a lot of fat, but it is packed with flavor. So we're gonna make these ostrich burgers today on my Pit Boss Platinum Series Lockhart, and we're gonna kind of paint them with a little bit of a sauce before they go on. We're not gonna add a ton of like condiments and toppings and stuff. We wanna let the burger speak for itself. So my Pit Boss is ready to go. Let's get started. All right, now you are looking at a pound of ground ostrich. This came from Strip District Meats, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, the absolute best butcher you could find anywhere. If you want to try this recipe and you have trouble finding ground ostrich, go to their website, stripdistrictmeats.com. You can order it online and they'll ship it to you. This is 1 pound and I'm going to do 2 burgers. So half-pound burgers here. And let's go ahead and open it up. All right, there we have it. I mean, it looks kind of like ground beef, right? But it's not. All right, so I'm going to use my handy Pit Boss burger press. I love this thing. It makes perfectly sized burgers every time. And I'm gonna kind of split this in the middle. Just eyeball it. Kind of like that. Oh, the dogs are out, huh? Put that right here in the burger press, just like that. And then using the lid, just press it down. I think this dog wants some ostrich. Just like that. Look how nice that looks. Then we just turn it over, like that, remove the side, and remove the top. There we go. You'll notice I am wearing gloves today. Don't want to mess around with any sort of cross-contamination, so you won't see it, but at several points throughout this, I'm going to be going inside, washing my hands, washing my utensils, and coming back, so just so you know. There we go. Grab some of that excess from around there. And around there. Pull the side, grab the little lid here. Man, it is cold out here. All right, there we have our 2 ostrich burgers. Half pound. These are really, really nice looking. And now it's time to do one more thing to them before we actually put them on the smoker. So for the sauce I'm gonna use on these today, I'm gonna use a store-bought sauce plus one other ingredient, but you can make this homemade if you want. I'm just all about simple and quick because it's cold outside. So I'm using this soy spicy and sweet chili heat marinade and sauce. So this could be used as a marinade if you want to like leave something sit for a while, or you can just put it on as a sauce. And spoiler alert, let me give you the ingredients. Very simple. We got soy sauce, chili pepper, onions, ginger, and hoisin sauce. So if you've got those 5 things, or you want to go to the store and buy those 5 things, you can literally make this sauce yourself. But again, this is just going to be quick and easy. All right, so let's go ahead and just pour some of this in there. Oh, that smells so good. And I mentioned we were going to add one more thing, and that is the juice of 1 lime. All right, let's just get that in there. Like that. And the other half. So sort of like a chili, lime, soy kind of sauce. And let's just mix that up. See how it's thinning it out because of that lime juice, and that's good because we want to kind of paint this on these burgers. Okay, the sauce is ready. I'm gonna give it a quick taste. Oh man, woohoo! Man, whew, that's so good. All right, let's move this to the side. Get our burgers back. I'm just gonna use my brush here and just kind of paint on these ostrich burgers. Yeah, like that. Get around those sides too. Oh, whew, that smell just hit me. God, it smells so good. It's gonna be magnificent. Go ahead and flip these over and get this side. Well, those look good to me. All right, let's talk about how we're gonna smoke them. All right, so like I said, smoking these delicious burgers today on the Pit Boss Platinum Series Lockhart. I'm using the Pit Boss Competition Blend pellets. It's my favorite all-around pellet, works for just about anything that you want to smoke. Smoking today in the lower chamber at a temperature of 275 degrees. Now, these burgers are not gonna take super long, probably about 30 minutes or so on there. I'm looking for that internal temp to reach 165. Okay, so you wanna make sure, playing it safe with, you know, it's kind of like chicken. You wanna do the 165, that is your target temperature. So I'm gonna put them on. About 15 minutes later, I'll come out, we'll check them, and then probably flip them over and get ready to finish them up and eat them. So with that, let's go ahead and get these burgers on the smoker. All right. Nice and warm. Okay, I'm just gonna put them right here. Get that nice little sizzle. Here we go. We'll be back in about 15 minutes. All right, it's been about 15 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh, yeah, they look nice. Let's go ahead and see where we're at on our temperature here. Right in there. About 127, 129, 130. On this one, 126. Yeah, so we're right at about 130. Remember, I'm trying to get to 165. I'm gonna go ahead and flip these over. Oh, look how nice that looks. All right, there we go. All right, probably about another 10 minutes or so and they'll be right where we want them. So I'll be back to finish them up. All right, after another 10 minutes, let's see where we are. Ooh, those look nice. Let's go ahead and check our temp. 150, 161, yeah, we're getting there. We're almost right where we want to be. 156, 158, great. All right, so as these finish up, I'm gonna put just one piece of Swiss cheese. And also just throw a couple of buns on there to toast up. And as soon as that cheese is melted, we're gonna get them off. All right, cheese is melted and we are ready to go. Let's build our burger. We're gonna start, obviously, our bottom bun here. This is an H for how good this is about to be. And now we just come in here with this beautiful looking ostrich burger. Now I mentioned I'm not really doing any condiments with this. I really want that burger and the taste of that glaze to really pop. But for a little bit of crunch, I am gonna add just a little bit of iceberg. Just like that. Add my toasted top bun. And there you have it. Man, that looks pretty. And it smells really, really good. The cheese is perfectly melted on there. It's not overdone. It was pulled right at the exact temperature we wanted. All right, it's my favorite time of the video. It's time to try this delicious looking, delicious smelling ostrich burger. It looks beautiful, got a beautiful color to it. But you've already seen that. So here we go. Oh, the flavor. Wow. Oh man. Oh, that's really good. It's not like gamey at all. Kind of tastes like a cross between ground beef and maybe like a hint of duck. But you combine that flavor with the flavor of that glaze that we put on there, and holy smokes, that's delicious. Get some more here. You get it right from the bite. I could just stand here and eat this whole thing, but I guess we do need to end the video at some point. Well, hey, I am so glad that we made this today, and this will not be my last time cooking ostrich burgers. I'm already thinking of like the different things that we could do with this. We could put it in a chili, we could stuff some jalapenos with it. The options are limitless. Well, thanks once again for tuning in to this kind of unique video here on the Holy Smokes BBQ channel. If you like this video, make sure that you go ahead and click that thumbs up. Give us a like, make sure that you subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Tell somebody about us, tell somebody else to subscribe to the channel. And make sure to drop a comment down below and let us know what kind of things you'd like to see us cook up here on the channel. And if you're looking for some other ideas of things that you can throw in your smoker, check out one of these other 2 videos of some stuff that we've cooked up here, outdoors, on the smoker, and I'll see you next time.